Arigato gozaimasu. We say namaste.
Namaste.
Yeah. Um, I am Tammy. Tam.
I'm Kaho.
Kaho. Tam,
Nice to
yes.
meet you.
Nice to meet you. We just met here in the airport at Hamad International Airport, yeah, in Doha. I came here to drop somebody and she just arrived.
Yeah,
She just arrived, yeah. She's traveling
With
solo.
sunglasses.
You know, with the glasses. My eyes looks like this. Yeah, we both Asian. We are Asian, so.
Japanese.
Yeah, she's from Japan. I'm from India.
Tokyo. Where in India?
I'm from Manipur. Yeah, it's a northeast India. Yes, we do have some similarities with our culture. I'm from the northeast India, um, and we have a couple of Japanese in my hometown as well.
Wow.
Yes,
Beautiful.
and even some of my friends, they are in Japan as well. Yes, so she's traveling to Greece, a solo travel, a backpack. Yes, it's
My
so
backpack
great.
is huge.
And
Yeah.
she doesn't have like a itinerary, like not planned yet,
No
right?
plan.
Yeah, she has no plan.
No plan.
She will
It'll be a
just
long
go
trip,
there.
it'll be a long
Where are you will be like exiting? You will be transit into Doha, then
Yeah.
Greece,
Greece.
Vienna,
Vienna. Helsinki.
Helsinki. Oh,
Finland.
Finland.
I really wanted to go to
Oh, so beautiful. Yeah, it's nice.
And after like Europe, I also going to like Asia and I'm going to like Vietnam,
Okay.
Malaysia.
Ever plan to visit India?
I will. I really want
You
to.
should. You
I
should.
really
Yeah.
want to.
How old are you?
19.
She's just 19. You're in the university now.
No, I haven't decided yet. I just gap year. So
Okay,
just
okay.
graduated high school. And
Oh, that's great. That's great. Wow, lovely. Is this your first time, like a solo trip? Or
yeah, it's my first time.
Oh,
I have like
congratu-
traveled to around Japan, but like not.
not outside.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, that's great. Congratulations. You're
Thank
so
you.
brave. It needs like a very, determinations, and you need a lot of like, what do you say?
I'm very thankful to you.
Oh, that's. I mean, I always travel alone as well. But when I saw you, I'm like, okay, I could see that you are looking for the metro exit. And for the first time, for me, I'm searching the metro. I came down, and then where is the metro?
confusing.
I was so confused. Yeah, and then I saw you in the elevator. Well, it's quite interesting. So, what motivates you to travel alone, solo like this?
I had loads, and I think my trip is like to heal my past traumas.
Okay.
I have loads in life.
Oh,
I think
everyone does,
but
yes.
so do I.
Wow,
So,
that's
but
great.
I think, I want to meet like a lot of people
Yeah.
and just explore the world.
Am I the
and know
first person
myself.
ever you visit?
Yes.
Wow, that's great. Like
Yeah.
literally the universe is like, sending.
Sending.
Yeah, that's great.
Need something.
You really need to. You will enjoy it. Do you know,
I will
like
enjoy
saying
life.
places, this is the most beautiful and the biggest assets, when you travel, meeting people
I think.
and
I
experiencing.
think so as well.
Yeah.
Life is very short, so it's meant to have fun.
Yeah, amazing. I like it. I already like it. I mean, like traveling with a group of people is okay, but traveling
So
alone, you
and know,
explore
like, know
yourself.
thyself.
Yes.
Yes.
This is very nice. You should go to Italy.
I really
Yeah,
want
Italy is also one place. I quite often visit Italy, Roma especially,
Roma.
and another places. If you like a solo travel, you can visit India. It's like quite safe, but
really
everywhere is safe and unsafe. It has pros and cons, right? But do you have any concern, or what is your fear when you travel solo?
Well, because like I'm a woman and like I'm pretty young, so I'm quite like scared of like men, like sexual harassment.
I
or
see.
something. I
Uh-huh.
think that's like all women
That's your
should
concern.
be aware and concerned. But other than that, I'm not really.
How do you prepare yourself to go for this trip?
Oh my gosh, I have to talk another like an hour.
Like the short
we
brief,
can talk.
or to the people who are planning to go for a solo trip. So what is
Just save money.
save money?
Money.
That's
Save
great.
money and just be thankful to others
Yeah.
who helps you the journey, and I don't know, just be brave, like have the determination.
Exactly,
It's worth
yeah.
just
Careful, you have to very like, you know, I mean, you are already being careful like away from your country, but this, you're taking a very good initiative. Already you're brave, I could say it, and
Thank
you're
you.
still young.
You're still so young.
I am not. I'm far from you. Yeah. I don't know. What do I say? Okay. Do you? What do you want me to say? Or what do you want anything from me? What can I do? Anything to make your journey, you know, better?
Just meeting you is very big part of my journey. So
Oh.
I have nothing that I want from you. Just
She's so adorable. Oh my gosh. I think that the train is here. Yeah, this is Doha International Airport, Terminal 1. We are waiting for the metro. Metro is here and she took the day pass. It's quite convenient and it's so pleasure meeting you.
It was so pleasure. Maya? Wait, Maya?
Tammy.
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 Sorry, Tammy.
Tammy,
Nice
yeah.
meeting you.
Nice to meet you. I will probably document this video and I put it on a YouTube channel.
Okay.
I have a YouTube channel called Atia.
This train is for
Atiya. Yeah. So we are entering the metro. This is freaking clean metro. Yeah, this is so clean. No one is here. And so when you arrive in Doha, you can just take the day pass and you can use it. The day pass is only 6 riyals, which is like $2 or $3. Yeah.
Yeah, it was very
And you can reach every corner of Doha. We have like yellow, green, and red line. And gold line, so it reach all east, west, and north. And wherever the metro doesn't reach, it will take you by the metro link. There's a small bus, and it will take you there as well. So I am recommending her to visit the Qatar National Library, which is like pretty good. It has 1 million book.
Wow.
Yes.
I really like books. So yeah, I will take
Yeah,
a
you
look.
you should go there. And another one is the Souk Waqif. Yeah, these are hijab. And you can go to the Souk Waqif. Souk Waqif is one of the oldest, like a market.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
it's in a flight. I took the Qatar Airways.
doors
I see.
clear.
Yeah, so you can just choose anything. It's nice, and you came in the right time. Though it's hot, it's 45 degrees outside, but it's not that kind of humid. It's not that humid.
It's kind of like
This
not
train
wet.
is
Yeah,
for
not wet. Yes, it doesn't sweat. It's
Yeah,
hot.
it's not
It
humid.
will burn, but it will not make you sweat.
Because in Tokyo it's too humid.
Oh
I
yeah.
feel like Tokyo is more like
Yeah, the Far East Asia is
exhausting. Yeah, exhausting.
it drains you, and sometimes people do faint also, right? Because you are dehydrated when you sweat. Here, you just feel thirsty, you drink it, and you feel better.
Yeah, I really like the weather here.
That's nice. You
It's
should
such a
try.
new world. It's my first solo trip.
Okay, you will get to see this video on YouTube. Bye. How do I say? I forgot. Japanese.
Kami-sama.
Kami-sama. Kami-sama. My Manipuri language, in my mother tongue, we say kurumzari. Kurumzari. Yes, kurumzari is the namaste. It's the greeting. And tagachari. Yes, is thank you.
Thank you.
Tagachari.
Tagachari.
Namaste.
Namaste.
And Dhanyavad. Dhanyavad is Hindi. Thank you.
Dhanyavad.
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 Yeah. So Namaste and Dhanyavad.
Dhanyavad.